Hello, everybody. Today, I will be testing slash showing off another printer. The printer today is a HP Officejet Pro 8600. Model number SNPRC 1101-01. As you can see, the paper tray is empty. Let's go ahead and fix that. Make sure that you close the paper tray properly, or it may say it does not have paper when you filled it up. Along with being a printer, this machine is also a scanner which has both flatbed and ADF, document feeder, copier, faxing machine. It also has a touchscreen control panel. This machine is an automatic duplex printer, meaning it can print on both sides of the paper. You can connect to this machine by wireless, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, RJ45 port, and USB, which is what I will be testing with. Now, it is time to turn on the machine and get into the testing. As you can see here, you can move the touchscreen so it is easier to use. All you need to do is press the button on the right side of the screen. Now, I will print a test page. Using the touchscreen, this is a good way to test the printer. All you need to do is find Setup and go to Reports, and click on Printer Status Report, and it should print. Just make sure it has ink and paper. And just like that, you can see the printer is working and is able to print a page. You can see there is some lines and some other small issues with the print. Do not panic, it is probably just the printer head. Needs to be cleaned. The page that was printed out can be useful to find out things like number of pages scanned, number of pages printed in faxes. Now that we see we need to clean the print heads, all we need to do is find Setup, and then inside of Setup go to Tools and click on Clean Print Heads. Now, it will start to clean the print head. Just make sure to have a paper in the tray and ink, or it will not work properly. You can see it is still not perfect, but still do not panic. just go back and click on Yes to second level printing. Once again, just make sure the printer has ink and paper for it to work properly. I will speed this up for you as it is just me waiting. It is still not perfect, but it is better. We can go ahead and do the last level of the printer head cleaning and see if that fixes it. I will speed it up again. As you can see, it slowly will print better. You can go through this a couple of times, just know it will use ink. Now to connect to Wi-Fi, you will need to go to Setup, then Network, then Wireless Setup Wizard. It will begin searching. Once you find the correct network name, enter the password to network. Sorry, I have to blur this. I need to put more paper in. To test the copier, I am using front and back to save paper. To copy, it is as easy as making sure to put a copy of what you want in the ADF, document feeder, or the flatbed, then find copy, click on it. Then click on if you want it in black and white, or color, and you should see it start to copy. I did this in black and white. Now, I will copy in color and try and copy to document, and have 2 copies of each document, and see how the copier works. I will do this by using the ADF which is on top of the printer. Now that I added enough paper to the tray, I will go to the touch screen and change the number of copies from 1 to 2. Then I will click Done, and then I will click on Color to make it start copying. You can see I have 2 copies of the 2 documents I had copied. Now, it is time to test the printer. I will print a test page from my laptop. Just make sure you have the correct printer selected when printing, the correct drivers and software on the desired printing computer, and of course paper plus ink. Now, it is time to test the scanner. The software I used for this is HP Smart. All I do is on the computer I have hooked up to printer, I open HP Smart app and click Scan. Make sure the source is right. If you have the documents on top of the printer, it will be Document Feeder. If you open the top and put the documents and then close it, that would be Flatbed. Thanks for watching.